So, welcome to challenge 117. We're doing something with metals here, and let's take a look. So here we have it. So gold medal gives 4 points, silver medal 2, and bronze medal 1. So, and as you can see, this is like you can do this with Excel. So Excel knows, oh, I select multiple columns and I want the result also in one single column. So here we have our result there. So it's this is multiplied with 4, this with 2, and this with 1, and it's done in this type of formula. And we want to have it, so let's name this P for points, and then we want to filter out, so HSTACK filter if the country is in the C, filter the country that has more or equal points, or have as much points as the other, or as the maximum. So here France and Australia, because France has, I can show it to you, France has 78 points, and Australia also. So let's erase, and then we need this whole formula a second time, and now with min for Brazil. Here we have a small error because the array isn't the same length or width, and now we have like the result. So this is our core component. It's like the basic understanding of how Excel will calculate something that you can do with this formula, and then we have a simple filter function with a little bit of stacking, and an if error to correct the Brazil problem here because we had an error here, and so on. We've solved this challenge. It was quite easy. So see you next time.